Hey there, it is Tom here on behalf of Indie Structural Productions once again with another monthly update. So yeah, this year kicked off pretty well. So let's start off straight away with where we left off in the previous update, which was me asking you whether we should send Matt Heafy a guitar. And if you've been following along to the Instagram, if you haven't, go check it out right here. And that's for pretty much most of the updates I put on there. So that's probably the easiest way to follow along to what I do. But he did choose a guitar for himself. Not gonna put it together right now, but yeah. So this will be Matt Heafy's own Daedalus model, and I am so excited. There's so much cool stuff that's gonna happen, and yeah, it's gonna be ridiculous. And I also love the fact that this fretboard has that flame figure on it. It looks pretty cool. It's gonna have a nice custom inlay on there as well. More on that as it progresses. But right now, I am mainly focusing on getting the Celeste 2.0 finished and out the door. And after that, I'm gonna continue along with the Heafy guitar and the other production models and everything else that I have in the works. It's all going pretty good. One other thing that has taken a huge leap forward has been the Twitch streaming stuff. I now have a dedicated camera for it. I don't need to use my phone anymore. So the streams are looking much better, and I have a much better way of adjusting camera angles and whatnot, and I have a better computer that can actually run the streams. So that's nice. And what I started doing was I have the streams on Wednesdays, so those are going to be going live on Twitch, and then I upload them straight as is onto YouTube. And from those, I will pick out and create clips of questions I was asked during the stream, and then I put those out on Tuesdays and Fridays at 1 p.m. finish time. And so far, I've gotten very positive feedback from all of it, so I'm gonna keep it up. And please do come and check out the Twitch streams. It's very easy to find. It's just twitch.tv/IP_guitars. I already have it written down here, so you can check that out for yourself. And there's a link in the description, so you can check that out too. Yeah, everything is going at a very good pace. And one of the greatest things that has so far enabled me to keep on working on stuff now with, you know, the pandemic still going on and stuff like that. I found a new makerspace, which is open 24/7. And I can go there whenever I like, which makes my life so much easier. I also have storage space there, so I can come and go as I please. I can leave my stuff there and then pick up where I was left off. I'm filming this now on Saturday, so yesterday, for you watching this now on Sunday. I already spent a good few hours this morning at the workshop working on the Celeste, and it's looking good and things are progressing very well. One thing though that I learned from the very first visit to the workshop was that they didn't have a bobbin sander, which is something I really need. So I took it upon myself to get a tool that I have always wanted ever since I saw it, and is a worthy investment for the future, which is the Triton bobbin and belt sander. The, what was it, TSPST, or I can't remember what it was, but clip or picture going right now. And yeah, I got that, and I managed to work out new templates for everything, and I modified the Daedalus model. Just got a little modification in the sense that the center line is now correct and it makes sense, and that's all well and good. The Icarus though, that got a good bit more adjustment onto it. The body shape got refined, the horns got also refined. I got better fret access, the neck sits in a different place. I made the upper horn a bit wider, and I made the lower horn a bit less wide. I reshaped the back end a little bit, and in general right now it fixed up so many issues that I had with the previous template and model shape. Nothing wrong with it. I do still really like it, but there's just something about, there was something about these two shapes together. They look like two different types of horns. Now they're a bit more balanced. Also this back end, while there's nothing wrong with it in a sense, I just decided to make it a bit more balanced. Yeah. The videos are coming along whenever I have time to edit videos, so bear with me and remain patient, but things are getting quicker and quicker the more I work on stuff. So yeah, lots of things to come. This monthly wrap up is very quick, blasting through it because, like I said, it is Saturday. I haven't had time to sit down and film this beforehand like I usually do. So I need to edit this and have it out for you guys to watch today on Sunday. And then, yeah, tons of other videos to wrap up. There's the next week's video for next week Sunday. I am going to have the inlay sort of tutorial for what I did on the 5-string bass that I had in. The fretboard replacement video went up last week, so be sure to check that out. That was a whole lot of, I want to say fun, but yeah, it was nerve-wracking. Then the week after that, it's going to be fretwork. And of course, every Wednesday I'll have the streams on Twitch at 5:15 p.m. I think that pretty much covers everything. Thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe, comment down below, and smash the bell, just like every other YouTuber always says. All right, I'm gonna go for now and not edit this. I'm gonna edit this tomorrow. I might edit this today. We'll see. But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.